In this video, we delve into the critical mistakes that can disrupt temperature stability while using a smoker. Temperature control is essential for achieving delicious and consistent results in smoking. By understanding key factors like smoker type, size, fuel, and insulation, you can optimize temperature regulation. Proper monitoring and the use of reliable thermometers are crucial to maintain a steady temperature throughout the smoking process. Ventilation settings also heavily influence temperature stability, so adjusting vents correctly is key. Lastly, regular maintenance of your smoker ensures optimal performance and consistent temperature control. Selecting the right type of smoker is crucial for achieving temperature stability. Factors like size, fuel type, and insulation significantly affect how well you can maintain consistent cooking temperatures. Choosing a smoker that aligns with your specific needs and cooking style is essential to avoid temperature fluctuations and ensure even cooking. Understanding the role of these factors in temperature control can help you make informed decisions when selecting a smoker for your culinary adventures. Consistent temperature monitoring is key to maintaining a stable heat level during smoking processes. Neglecting this crucial aspect can result in fluctuations that impact the quality of your food. By using reliable thermometers and controllers, you can ensure precise temperature regulation throughout the smoking session. These tools enable you to monitor and adjust the heat levels accurately, leading to even cooking and delicious outcomes. Understanding the significance of temperature monitoring tools empowers you to control the cooking environment effectively and achieve optimal results. Proper ventilation is crucial for ensuring temperature stability in smokers. Incorrect airflow settings can lead to fluctuations in heat levels, affecting the cooking process. By understanding how to adjust vents correctly, you can maintain the desired cooking temperature consistently. Efficient ventilation allows for the proper circulation of heat and smoke within the smoker, resulting in even cooking and flavorful dishes. Learning how to optimize airflow and ventilation settings is key to achieving successful smoking outcomes. Regular cleaning and maintenance are essential for optimal smoker performance. Neglecting these tasks can lead to issues that affect temperature control and overall cooking quality. By prioritizing proper upkeep, you can prevent problems such as uneven heating and poor smoke circulation. Maintaining a clean smoker also prolongs its lifespan and ensures consistent results every time you smoke. Understanding the importance of regular maintenance empowers you to enjoy hassle-free smoking experiences and flavorful dishes.